Welcome to this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom detached villa with a garden and covered parking and a community pool in Las Kalendas, Fortuna. At the entrance of this property, you have access to the villa via the conservatory or leading round to the front garden, where you will find a seating area, covered porch, and a well-established garden with views of the mountains in the background. The plot is big enough to install a private pool and has a covered parking bay for one large vehicle. Entering the villa, you have a large open-plan living room with the kitchen at the side, with patio doors leading to the conservatory living room and dining area at the front, with a skylight letting ample sunlight in. From the kitchen area at the rear, there's a hallway that leads to 2 bedrooms with fitted wardrobes, a fully renovated bathroom with a walk-in shower and a storage room. Upstairs, you have the master bedroom with an ensuite bathroom. From the bedroom, you have access to 2 balconies that offer ample sunlight. There's also a large beach-style community pool across the road. Nestled in the heart of the Murcia region, the town of Fortuna and Balconies de Fortuna offer an enchanting blend of history, relaxation, and vibrant local culture. Known for their therapeutic thermal baths, these hidden gems are the perfect destination for those seeking a tranquil retreat with a touch of adventure. The property has also been installed with a hybrid 10-panel solar system for low running costs. Many of the bars in Fortuna come alive in the evening, offering a perfect place to unwind with a glass of locally produced wine or a refreshing cocktail. For more information on this property, please contact Villas for Spain.